Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and while I love me some regular caffeinated coffee, some days I just know that I've had my limit. So for those times, I think it's great that I have these MELOZIO Decaffeinato pods. These pods are the exact same color as the regular MELOZIO Nespresso pods, but with the only difference being a thick red band around the base. I really appreciate that this red band is super visible, so when I'm looking to have decaf, I can be sure that I'm brewing the right one. Besides the lack of caffeine in these pods, the coffee that comes out of them is exactly the same as the regular MELOZIO pods, from the look, the taste, and the way that it brews. This is such a relief to me because I so much enjoy that rich flavor of coffee, but unfortunately when I have had decaf blends in the past, the taste has been a little bit bland. That is not the case at all with these decaffeinated pods. Besides for myself, some of my friends are really sensitive to caffeine, so I love having these pods to offer to them. Whether it's at nighttime or if I've had my caffeine limit, I do not have to give up coffee thanks to these MELOZIO Decaffeinato pods. And that's my point of view.